Hi guys, Ancient Warrior, welcome back to Prepping and Free America. If you like what you hear here, hit the subscribe button. If you want to be the first kid on your block to know what craziness I'm talking about next, hit the bell icon with all. Oh, mercy guys. Also, leave comments. I need to know what you want to see. What? Now, let's talk about survival kits, bug out bags, and fire starting kits. Now, this is fire starting kit, guys. These are magnesium chips. Inside here is a little orange container with some strike anywhere matches and 2 more pouches of this. I've got some with fat wood. You know, guys, you got to know how to use this stuff. Do not go out. You know, I get a good laugh all the time because there's some creator every year or every month who's talking about an Altoids 10 survival kit, and they've got all this stuff in there that a trained outdoorsman would use. Operative word here, trained. Could I, after all these years, take an Altoids 10 and survive out in the wilderness? Nope. Guys, for a long time I sat in front of a desk. Sat in a desk. And let me tell you something. There is a saying that you need to put in your mind, and that is diminishing returns. That term means anything you don't use, you're going to lose. That's the reason I tell you, get hard copies of books. You know, let me see if I got it here. Nope, it's over there. U.S. Army, Marine Corps survival manuals. Books on being a gray man. We're going to discuss that in a future video. You know, the whole shooting match. But you need to know how to use this stuff. So let me tell you a fire starting kit that you need to put together if you're not a trained woodsman. Go to Walmart. Yeah, China Mart. Bic lighters come on a card. I think it's about $11. You can get 10. Maybe even more. Put that in your bag. Go to the area for cosmetics. Get you a bag of cotton balls. Put that in your bag. Go over and get a jar of Vaseline. Then go over to the sporting goods department and find you a small plastic container. Now I know some people use Ziploc bags and stuff. That's fine if you want to do that. There's your fire starting kit, folks. easy for most people to use. Easy for small kids who are not trained, or big adults who are not trained. Survival kit. You know, they always have, you know, just about every one of them I've seen has a button compass of some kind, a fishing hooks and stuff on a card and stuff. Just go down and buy you one of these mini collapsible rods and reels. They generally come, now it's been a while since I've looked at one, but they generally come with hooks and lures. Then put that in your bag. Guys, I am a firm believer in using the equipment you know how to use. Don't buy a pre-made get-home bag, because God only knows what region of the nation it's for, if it is for a region. So, with that being said, I'm the Ancient Warrior, and we're out. And remember, it's better to have this equipment not need it than need it and not have it. And if you're prepping, you're going to live free.